Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another designer shoutout, and we're going to also show off the new skill they used. So let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, so this design was by 6th grader Carmel. Let me paste it in and show you what she made. Friends, Carmel has been playing with the Z fighting, and it just keeps getting more and more awesome. So this is a tube that we duplicated and rotated and changed the colors. There are more than one in each spot. Notice if I hit hide, there's one underneath it. Since they are in the exact same location, it creates what is called Z fighting, which when you orbit, which is a right-click drag, they are just amazing. So I'm going to take this one and move it to the side because Carmel has made more than one. I'm going to do shift nudge to just move it off that way. And friends, here is her second one. This is using pastels, and it is just absolutely epic. Friends, her third one sticks to the pastels, but it is more of a blue and a pink. Such a cool creation, and thank you, Carmel, for exploring and taking time to share. Friends, our second share is from 8th grader Quentin, and he did the same project, but he did it with text. He did it in class, so I cannot show you his project, but let me show you how cool it turns out. I'm going to take HLModTech. I'm going to squeeze it in just like we did a minute ago. I'm going to pick a cool color. I'm going to go custom, and I'm going to go with a bright yellow. Notice if you pull them out, you can really play and have fun with these. Instead of 10, I'm going to make it 5. I'm also going to switch to the sands just because I think that's kind of fun. And then, friends, of course, we're going to do Control D. I'm going to rotate 22.5 degrees because that's my favorite. And then I'm going to nudge it so that it fits right on that corner. And then, friends, when we do Control D again and again and again, it memorizes it all the way around. Now, this time I'm going to be even smarter, and I'm going to change it right now in the middle to a crazy bright pink. And then when I do Control D the next one, they show up with the different colors. Now notice some of them are not showing up. Don't worry about it. It's no big deal. And then I'm also going to come back here, and now I can show you, boom, we have got the sweet HLModTech going like crazy, like a neon sign. How fun is that? I'm going to mod this one more time. I'm going to real quickly just pull this one out here. I'm going to hit delete. And I'm going to change it just a little bit. So once again, we're going to click on it and do Control D. This time I'm still going to rotate it, but it's going to be 45 degrees. This time I'm going to nudge so that they're not touching. This will leave room in the center. And now when I do my Control D around, I'll be able to read it even better. Once again, we do Control D. Let's switch to the second color. Now we're going to go with the yellows and do Control D all the way around. Notice it's no big deal when they don't show up. If you wanted to do a third color here, you could as well. Friends, there you have it. Z fighting in Tinkercad. Totally simple skill, but I find it so oddly satisfying. Friends, once again, I want to say thanks to Carmel and Quentin for sharing your cool work. You guys are amazing, and I totally appreciate having you in my classroom. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.